Hi there again, it's Julia from Hip Stitch in Albuquerque, your happy quilt shop. And I'm here today really quickly to just show you this beautiful new sample we have hanging behind the main counter here at Hip Stitch. And it is all batiks. This is Trip Around the World. We're calling this colorway Green Desert, and it is available now. We do have a few kits that are already packaged up, and those are already in the shop ready to go. So if you want to order it from the website, if you're out of town, or if you want to pop into the store and see this gorgeous beauty in person, we are ready for you. So come on down or hop over to the website. I will put a link down below the video directly to where it is on the website. And like I said, it's all batiks. It is Trip Around the World Green Desert colorway, and I have a job for you. If you would like to see this same quilt in another colorway, please feel free to let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. That's all I've got for you today.